Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Day here again from Mike Pero Cashmere, and welcome along to my brand new listing here at 55A Edinburgh Street in Spreydon. This is a lovely 3-bed, 1-bath home and it's ready for you to move straight in, so let's go take a look through. The floor plan of this lovely home includes 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, separate toilet. You got a wonderful open plan kitchen and dining space which flows through nicely into that separate lounge. You got great storage in the house, double internal access garage. It's fully fenced. There's enough grass for the kids and pets to play around. What more can I say? It's time for you to call this one home. I look forward to seeing you at the next inspection, or call Chris Day today.